Hi everyone, Jessica from JR Digital. Today I want to talk about a common question I answer to people all the time. When do I use Facebook ads and when do I use Google ads? Both are really powerful ways to promote your business online, but one platform may be more beneficial than the other for certain type of businesses. So today I'm going to clear the air and explain the difference. If your business is a business to consumer, B2C type of business, or you think your ideal client is interested in your product or service but may not be actively searching for it, either Googling for that product or service, then Facebook ads is an ideal platform. Facebook and Instagram ads are an ideal platform for this kind of business. So an easy example is real estate. Perhaps you're a real estate agent and you have a property for sale. There are people interested in real estate. There are people wanting to buy property on Facebook and Instagram, but they may not necessarily be aware of your specific property. So advertising that specific property on Facebook and Instagram is ideal because you can hone in and target on those people interested in real estate and wanting to buy, for example. Now, Google Ads, on the other hand, is ideal for B2B or people who are specifically searching for your product or service. In other words, if your product or service solves a problem that people are Googling, then Google Ads is an ideal platform for you. And if people are searching for your product or service while they are at work, then that is also an ideal platform for you to advertise your business. So for example, if you're an auditor and you only audit other people's businesses, doing Facebook ads as an auditor may not be as effective as using Google ads because someone in need of an auditor will Google an auditor while they're at work. So having your business on Google ads in that respect would be ideal for you. And if I was to choose between Facebook or Google, I would choose Google. Now, Google is very competitive. It's got a lot of people Googling and searching. It's got the majority of it. That's no secret. Something else to consider is using Microsoft ads. Microsoft ads are used when people open up their default browser, which is the Microsoft Edge, for example, and they're using Bing as the search engine. Now, not as many people use Bing, but it's still being used. And so you may find Microsoft ads to be cheaper and more effective for you when the competition for Google ads is so high. So there you have it. That's when to use Facebook ads and when to use Google ads, and a little side tip on when to use Microsoft ads. So my friends, if you need any help getting these started, JR Digital will be more than happy to have a discussion with you to get things running and your business growing online. Thank you, everyone. Until next time. Bye for now.